welcome back to my channel after 3 long months. I really missed you guys and I really missed making videos. So today I'm back with an essential video. It's essential because due to the lockdown, many of you haven't been to the salon for like last 4 months. Same here, and I was not brave enough to call any salon expert at my home. So today, as you can see, I'm gonna cut my hair really short. I was not getting the consent from my friends or parents, but finally after a lot of procrastination, I thought of doing it. So for this, you're gonna need a comb. It would be good if you have a rat tail comb. So you need to make the partition. Make sure you make the partition where you want it to be. You can make it on the middle or on the sideways. I'm making it little on the left because this is how I want my hair to look when I keep it open. So comb it very perfectly, like detangle it, make sure there are no knots, and then just tie a low ponytail like this with a rubber band. So I must tell you, for this process you need a rat tail comb, 2 rubber bands and a pair of scissors. So you can see how I am tying the ponytail. It should like flatten on the edges. So this is how the ponytail should look like. I made sure you get all the steps correct. I haven't cropped any part of this video for this reason only, because I know when it comes to our hair or tresses, we think 1000 times before cutting it short. But as you can see, I have some bangs, and many of you will have it too if you have layers or like feather cut. Those of you can't, like me, I wanted a long bob cut, but because of these bangs I won't be able to achieve either a long bob or a perfect plant. So I'm gonna make the most out of it. But to make this sure, you need to loosen the hair that's falling above your ear, either with your fingers or with the tail of your comb. Mark this step is mandatory. You may overlook this, but you have to do this step. Just loosen a little bit. Now the second rubber band comes into play. The second rubber band actually determines the length of your hair. So I wanted to keep it till that. Normally if you don't have layers of feather cuts, the bangs won't be coming out. But for me it was really a struggle. However, I had to go with it. I was really very sad because I really wanted like long bob for a long period of time. Anyway, second time I will make sure I do it. So as you can see, I got this scissor from my stationery kit and it's not sharp at all. It's really blunt and it took me around 3 to 4 minutes to get this done, just to cut it. So step by step I was struggling, cutting it part by part, which is not desirable at all. So if you have sharp scissors, 90% of your work is done. But if you don't have it, then you have to first cut it, then level it up and then sharpen the edges. So as you can see, I have first cut it down, but now I have to level it up first. Here and there have been ups and downs. Now to level it up, don't cut it horizontally again. You have to just take your scissors and cut them vertically. It works like a miracle. It saves a lot of time and you will get the best results. So just believe me when I tell this, because I've done it like 1000 times. You can waste your time here because this is really important. This will actually determine how the ends of your hair would look like. So just have your patience and keep on doing this. But today I really kept it to minimal. Maybe tomorrow or the other day I will again tie it up and straighten it. But just for the sake of this video, I'm done. And tada! That's the length of my hair now. Okay, I'm really shocked while recording the audio now. But yes, I am loving it. I know many of you will disagree because you prefer long hair. But with the temperature, with my mood, I really don't want to keep long hair right now, and it's really becoming difficult for me to manage because I am really careless. Okay, so after cutting your hair short, you have to trim it again, because this will be your first or second attempt, and no matter a number of times, you will always get some hair or tresses that will be longer or shorter than the previous ones. But make sure, if you have bangs like me, don't try to level it up, or else you will get a very short length. But just try to keep it minimal. And after doing this haircut, because I was really tired, I kept my fan off the whole process and I was sweating a lot. So I tried to dry my hair, especially near the scalps. So this is just you can do this step or not. Okay, I prefer you do this step, because after that you will be straightening or curling your hair. And make sure you use the heat protectant. Okay, I missed to show it in this video while I was I forgot to shoot it actually. But anyway, so for this look I thought of straightening it. I really bought a very good straightener from Philips, but I was unable to find it because I hardly use it, and I think I gave it to my neighbor. So I'm using this broken straightener from Nova. That really helped me, and I bought this actually 4 to 5 years ago when I was in class 12 for my farewell, which automatically didn't happen. Anyway, sad stories apart. So I just showed you how I straighten on the left side. You have to do the rest on your own. I'm not going to make this video lengthy. So have some patience, and while straightening it will become easier to dress the hair which is uneven, and you can cut it then also. And finally I'm done. Whew. So this is the final look and I'm loving it. I hope you like it too. Till then, bye, take care. Guys, stay safe, stay at home. We'll meet you soon with some other video. Bye bye and love you.